Hello everyone, I'm James, the marketing manager at Prowave Engineering. This is a great pleasure to be here today to introduce our company. We all know if someone dedicates 10 or 20 years to a single field, they will likely to become an expert. At Prowave, we have been focused on vibration technology for over 35 years. We are not just familiar with vibration. We invested lots of R&D resources to develop our own system from the beginning until today. To provide the best service, we have 4 offices across Taiwan and more than half our staff have technical backgrounds. For the international customer, we are also expanding our network of distribution partners. In addition, this year, we were honored to be selected as a featured speaker by HTFA, the authoritative organization for semiconductor facility in Taiwan. We offer a total solution that from sensors, data acquisition, and software platforms. We have 2 business units, one focused on test and management, and the other focused on condition monitoring. And this is our main product, the Phoenix GM4 system. This is smart, modular, and truly wireless vibration monitoring solution. It supports Advantech LoRa sensor, including 3-axis vibration and temperature sensing, with IP66 protection and the wireless range over 300 meters. And the most exciting is based on our 35 years experience and massive data we developed bionic auto diagnostic engine. It can detect and identify 31 type equipment faults. Now, let's look at a real application. We deploy the GM4 system in a semiconductor factory to monitoring air compressor and the exhaust fans. In this case, AP11 and AP13 compressor show vibration trend is over the danger threshold, and the vibration analyzed according to FFT to determine we have an unbalanced problem. And the auto diagnostic system point out the imbalance issue too. So you can see its efficiency, accuracy, and very convenient. And after dynamic balancing calibration, equipment return to stable. You can see our customer avoid inspective damage and improve ESG performance. Now, our GM4 system have been deployed over 2,000 machines. We are trusted by top-tier clients including TSMC, UMC, Micron, and Formosa. It reflects our stability, accuracy, and 35 years expert experience. Thank you for watching. We are expect to cooperate with you. It's time for edge computing and wise edge in action.